Hey everybody, welcome to this week's video. I am super excited to share today's topic with you guys because it is something that I am extremely passionate about. In fact, I'm so passionate about it that I've decided to do a 3-week series to share with you all the things weddings. Yay! I love wedding season. I love helping with weddings. I love doing wedding hair and makeup and all the things. So I'm super excited to share this with you. If you know a bride, a bridesmaid, a mother of the bride, or you want to be a bride one day, or you just really want to learn something fun and new and have nothing to do with weddings, that's totally fine. Stay tuned and watch this 3-week series. And please, if you like it, share it with somebody who may benefit from it. I think it will be some great information for anybody that is involved in a wedding or just wants to learn something new. You can share by sharing this video, and also you can always subscribe to my email list. I send out weekly emails. Sometimes they're videos, sometimes they're totally random different articles and different things like that I put together for you guys. So make sure that you subscribe to those as well as this channel, and we'll jump right in. Okay, so we are doing the 3-week series all about weddings, and today we are talking all about wedding makeup. Tip number 1 is know what is going to be good for your features. Now, I know that when we start to think about our weddings, we start to look at all of these different pictures and we see the enchanted smoky eye and the bright, beautiful lip and all these different things, but I hate to break it to you, sister, that might not be for you. Yes, that is beautiful and romantic and lovely, but it might not be what is best for you. So I want you to really think hard before you decide on your wedding makeup, because those are pictures that you're going to be looking at for the rest of your life. For example, one thing that I see on a lot of brides is a bright lip. Now, a bright lip can be beautiful and romantic, but it's not good for everybody. And I know personally because I've done it and I do not have the lips for it. If you have smaller, finer lips, I do not recommend doing a brighter lip. I recommend doing something that's glossy, something that's neutral, that's going to make your lips appear larger, and not something that's bright and going to shrink them down. Another thing I see is everybody wants to do the smoky eye, but it's not something that maybe is good for their eye shape. Maybe they have smaller eyes or just a different eye shape that's not great for that. So keep that in mind, do your research, and just make sure that you think about all those different things before deciding on a look for your makeup. Number 2 is know what is good in pictures. Now, this goes back to not only what I just said about what's gonna look good on your face, but also what products are gonna be good for photographs. A lot of people like to use an HD setting powder, which can be wonderful, but if used in the wrong way, it can show up when that flash goes off and it will just look like a white dust on your skin basically, and it can look really, really horrible. So make sure that you are doing your research again and figuring out what products are going to be good for photos as well. Also talk with your photographer and figure out if you can maybe do a couple test shots beforehand, or maybe when you do your bridals or something like that, to make sure that all the products that you're using on your wedding day are gonna be okay when you are in front of a flash. Just double check everything to make sure that you're not gonna have any weird marks or different things on your face because of products that you've used, because you can't redo those. You can't redo your wedding photos. So just make sure you're planning ahead for that. All right, that brings me to the next one, and it is get a makeup artist. If you're not comfortable with doing your own makeup for your wedding, make sure you're getting an artist that can help guide you through that. I highly suggest getting a makeup artist that knows what looks good in photos and also what's gonna accent your right features and look good on you. They're gonna use really good products that are gonna last you for the whole day. So make sure that you are getting an artist if you are uncomfortable and not capable of doing it yourself. Plus, I highly suggest just getting an artist because it's your wedding day. You should be getting pampered. So I highly suggest just have somebody take care of you that day. You don't need to worry about it. Number 4, it may seem super simple, but get your foundation matched please, my friends, get your foundation matched. You can go to Ulta or Sephora and ask for them to match you for free, and they totally will do that. As a stylist, I will go with my clients if they're uncomfortable and they want me to go with them to get them matched. That way I can also recommend products that are going to be good for them that they can use again as well. Some makeup artists might have different things for you already, and you don't have to worry about getting your foundation matched, and they'll do that for you. But if you do need your own foundation, make sure you are getting matched. Don't guess. Try it out beforehand. Make sure it looks good in photos, and just double check to make sure that it looks good. Please, please double check. Last, fifth, final tip is don't do anything that's not you. If you don't typically wear a ton of eye makeup, don't go for a full-blown smoky eye on your wedding day. If you don't typically wear a bright lip, don't wear a bright lip on your wedding day. You want to enhance your natural features on your wedding day, not look like a totally different person. So maybe you just do a kind of neutral eye that just kind of accents your eyes with some complementary colors that don't actually look so bold and different from what you're used to. You will look beautiful regardless of what you decide to do. If it's not something you wouldn't typically do, I don't recommend doing it on your wedding day. You can do maybe a little bit more. In fact, I suggest doing a little bit more to kind of enhance a little bit, but don't go full-blown crazy makeup if you're not used to it. So keep those in mind when you are thinking about booking your wedding makeup or doing it yourself. Whatever you decide, just keep those 5 tips in mind, and I know that it will help you in the long run. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know. I would love to help you in any way I can. And if you're looking for an artist for your wedding, I would love to help you there as well. All right, well, tune back next week because I'm going to be talking about some other awesome wedding details with you, and I hope you really enjoy them and learn something new. So until next time.